Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we have come up with a different topic called COVID-19 safety precautions at workplaces. But before we get into the topic, we need to understand what is coronavirus. This coronavirus is basically a contagious viral strain that can be passed from one person to another person. A person generally gets affected to coronavirus majorly because of the three reasons. First reason is through direct contact, and second one is through droplets, sneezing, coughing and talking to another person, and thirdly through touching infected surfaces. But we don't have to fear, just follow the 7 simple steps to prevent the spread of the virus and protect you in the workplaces. In the first step, you need to always wash your hands at least 60 seconds with soap. If soap is not available, you can use hand sanitizer at least with 60% of the alcohol. In the step 2, you need to avoid touching your face, eyes, nose, mouth, as they are common entry points to the virus. So please do not touch always during the office hours. And always wear mask during the office hours, and regularly get your temperature checked while entering into the office as a responsibility. And in the step 3, as soon as you enter into the office, you need to always ensure that your desk is properly cleaned using a spray or disinfectant wipes. And in the 4th step, you need to avoid physical contact with the fellow colleagues and avoid touching frequently touched objects like doors, knobs, lights, switches, computers and fellow staff. 5th step is the self-care. A person is to always have a better immune system to fight with the coronavirus. To gain the immune system, they need to have proper sleep and nutritious food and exercise and reduce stress. 6th step is that you need to avoid unnecessary travel to the other places. Consider alternative ways to communicate, such as video conferencing and virtual collaboration tools such as Zoom, Skype Meet, and most importantly, prefer working from home, because most of the times social distancing is very tough job in the workplaces. So to avoid the physical contact, an employee is always suggested to do work from home. So far we have seen what are the major precautions to be taken in the office. But how do you know if you've got affected with the coronavirus? There are major symptoms like fever, cough, shortness of the breath, breathing difficulties. These are the major symptoms of the virus. If you experience any of these symptoms, do not panic. Please stay at home. Please take proper health. Call nearby health emergency services. So guys, now that you have understood how to protect yourself in the workplaces from coronavirus, thank you for watching my videos. We'll catch you up with the next interesting video. Till then, please do subscribe, like my